tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. I eat an apple. The apple is red. Again, I eat an apple. The apple is red. Your turn to read, children. I hug my dad. My dad loves me. Again, I hug my dad. My dad loves me. Your turn to read, children. This is my room. I keep my room clean. Again, this is my room. I keep my room clean. Your turn to read, children. I can read a book. I like animal stories. Again, I can read a book. I like animal stories. Your turn to read, children. We like singing. Singing makes us happy. Again, we like singing. Singing makes us happy. Your turn to read, children. Mary has a doll. Her doll is pretty. Again, Mary has a doll. Her doll is pretty. Your turn to read, children. The fish can swim. It can swim so fast? Again, the fish can swim. It can swim so fast. Your turn to read, children. The girl can smile. The girl looks nice. Again, the girl can smile. The girl looks nice. Your turn to read, children. Peter has a new ball. His new ball is blue. Again, Peter has a new ball. His new ball is blue. Your turn to read, children. Dad washes his car. He wants his car shiny. Again, Dad washes his car. He wants his car shiny. Your turn to read, children. We learn at school. Learning is fun. Again, we learn at school. Learning is fun. Your turn to read, children. The moon is bright. Stars are bright too. Again, the moon is bright. Stars are bright too. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. I eat an apple. The apple is red. I hug my dad. My dad loves me. This is my room. I keep my room clean. I can read a book. I like animal stories. We like singing. Singing makes us happy. Mary has a doll. Her doll is pretty. The fish can swim. It can swim so fast. The girl can smile. The girl looks nice. Peter has a new ball. His new ball is blue. Dad washes his car. He wants his car shiny. We learn at school. Learning is fun. The moon is bright. Stars are bright too. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you in our next lesson.